Okay, I wanted to show you what was in Jenn Shurkus's Creative Journey Art Retreat from November of 2024. So this is a virtual retreat. It's not live. It's all on videos from her website. And one of the cool things we got was were these Stampers Anonymous stamps from Tim Holtz. And I'm sorry, they're not outlined here. These are really good stamps, and some of these are, she tells the history of everything during the retreat. It's 3 days. Each day is like 4 hours, and I'll show you the cards in a little bit. But some of these stamps, she has a history that they used to be, they're re-released in a different size that she wanted for the stamp. And so there's a lot of cool things about this retreat. I really thought we got a lot of good value for it. So we got 5 rows of washi tape. These distress watercolor pencils, which was awesome because I have several of these different ones that I never used because I really didn't know how to use them. So here's some of the other stamps. I just stamped them so you can see what it is. Boba tea. I should tell you who they're from. Newton's Nook Designs. These are some sentiment stamps from Hero Arts. This one was cool. It's, I guess she's the artist who does Guess How Much I Love You. Very Colorado craft company. I'm sorry, I don't have the name of who these were from. It looks like Gina K, but I'm not saying that's for sure. These are some Lawn Fawn, of course, with the bee, with the bear and the bee. This one, I'm sorry. I feel like I should recognize the stamp companies, but I just don't yet. Oh, and another roll of washi tape. And this one. And I'll show you the cards that we made. And then also this cute little hello there die. Also got some stencils. Patterned paper. And these are some leftover supplies that I didn't use. Another thing cool about this retreat is everything came already prepped. Okay, I'm recording this part again as to not show the handouts, which are pictures of the cards and supplies, not instructions. The instructions are on the videos. So here are some of the cards. You're a keeper. I really thought this one was cute. I put the sentiment on the inside instead of on the front. It's gonna be a lot quicker without comparing my card to the ones there. She used darker colors, and she used alcohol markers, and I used watercolor, and I used watercolor instead of ink. Little watercolor, some stenciling. And honestly, these were my favorite ones because I love mixed media backgrounds, and I don't know how to do them, and I got to learn some mixed media techniques. And this one, when she did it, she used a lot of orange and darker colors, and I think it's because, you know, she really did these in October, and I'm doing them in March, so I used a little more spring colors. All in all, it was a great retreat. It was fun. I learned a lot. It was a great value for the money, and I would definitely do it again.